8232 Carmen. Just going to show you a little bit of the So this is an open door home, as you can tell. The carpet looks good, need blinds. Paint looks pretty good, white. Maybe some areas for touch up, like here. Eat-in area. Some slight wear on the cabinets. Definitely a Jenny call. As you can see, we need a fridge, probably a new sink and a new faucet. Fairly private backyard, so this tree gives us a little privacy from that 2-story. As you can see, privacy, 1-story. This house is set further back and it's a 1-story, so that's nice. You don't have that too commonly in Vegas. Okay. So it's 1, 2. Of course, we need the verticals as well. We need 2 verticals. Change out the light bulbs so they match. No grout needed. That's good. Less maintenance. Ouch. Oh, okay. Nice size room. Need a blind in here. So it would be 3, I believe. It's about $60 to replace an exhaust fan. That's generally an item we would put on a repair request, though. Need a shower rod. No grout for that. Tub necessary. This is a nice size room as well. And another blind here. Paper arch fan for the top, $50.